Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, you're gonna see me preparing for my boyfriend's very simple at-home birthday. So first of all, I picked an inspiration cake. So you can go like on Pinterest and search man cake and you're gonna find a lot of like ideas, but mainly they're all like blue or black or just gray, like stuff like that. So this is what I kind of went for. So the theme colors kind of are gonna be silver, black, and white for this birthday. And so I bought these styrofoam balls from like an arts and crafts place here and I painted them. Some are silver and some are gonna be black just in a second. Here they are. So it was really fun to do and I really love like doing things myself in a way. So if you have the chance to actually do something yourself for a loved one like your boyfriend or your family, I would totally recommend that. They're gonna see how much effort you put into it and you're gonna be very happy with yourself. So I kind of ruined them by spraying them with like a top coat, but I still liked the design. Next, I had ordered some decorations, mainly balloons from Shein. They were super cheap. So these are happy birthday balloons with some balloons, and then I have the number 24. This is a cake topper that I planned on putting on the cake. So next, I'm gonna be showing you how I did the cake. So it's gonna go pretty fast for the actual cake, but then for the decoration, I feel like it's really nice to watch. And I used a very like new technique, I would say, like something a bit weird, I would say. So yeah, keep watching if you want to see it. So I used 5 trays. I wanted a pretty high cake in a way, and the fifth is kind of different. So to prepare them, I put some butter and then some flour on top of it so that the cakes don't stick. And these are the boxes I used. I used 2 boxes. I was going for vanilla, but they sent me the wrong ones, and I just went for it. So these are lemon flavored cakes. I added 6 eggs and as much as they said to add oil, it's written in the back. And I did not add the exact amount of water they said because I didn't want them to be super moist. I wanted them a bit harder so that I can work on the decoration easier. So this is the fifth tray I told you about because I don't have 5 of the same ones, but it's not a problem. We're gonna cut it to the same size soon. So I let them cool. It's very important that they're very cooled before you start working on your decoration. So as you can see, the fifth piece was kind of bigger than the others, so I cut the edges. And I used some frosting. I did not find buttercream. I recommend buttercream if you find at your supermarket. I wanted to have a chocolate flavor in the cake, so I decided to go for chocolate in the middle, and then for the outside, it's gonna be vanilla. So I do really thin layers. I don't like me and my boyfriend, we don't like a lot of cream in our cakes, but this is just personal. So yeah, I stick the cakes upside down. It's very important. You put them upside down, and then I kind of use the rest to just close off a bit of the holes. And then I started crumb coating with the vanilla flavor. So crumb coating is just basically holding the crumbs together. And I bought a black coloring, food coloring gel, and this is for the technique. It starts here, okay? So I separated into 2 bowls, and then you don't want to mix a lot. And in the second bowl, I put way more food coloring, and also I don't mix it completely. And I kept some white frosting on the side. And then I get the cake from the fridge. It's very important that it's cooled, and I measure a parchment paper to like the diameter of the cake, and I put back the cake in the freezer or in the fridge, depends on how long it's gonna take you. And then I start stacking like some white and then some of the dark, some of the lighter, and I put them on the parchment paper. just randomly, like, and I didn't want the cake to be super like, how do you say? Like, I wanted mostly the cake to be white, so I did not put a lot of the blacks and the grays. And then I filled the holes with white, and then you want to kind of smooth everything without touching the actual parchment paper. So smooth it really lightly, and when it's all smooth, get your cake and ta-da, you just put it on your cake. That was kind of hard, I would say, but the result is just amazing. It looks so much like marble, or I don't know if you call this marble, but it's just a really nice design that you would not be able to achieve directly on the cake. So then put the cake in the freezer or in the fridge for a longer time, and then I peel off the paper. I thought it would peel off easier. For some reason, it was kind of ripping, but it was okay. And when I peeled it, I noticed it was like kind of sandy in a way, like it got granulated. So I had to smooth it. I had to fill up some holes. So just like fix it however you want, or you can just keep it like it doesn't have to be perfect, you know. Imperfect cakes are really popular right now. So yeah. So then I put some more food coloring. I used a makeup brush for this part. I washed it, don't worry. And I went in on some of the darkest places and just made them even darker. Like I wanted some really dark black. You can skip this part if you like your design, but here's in details what I did. And I'm not really happy about the texture overall. I know it doesn't look straight, but it's a home birthday, like it's fine. And so yeah, I put some food coloring on the outer corner of the cake. I just thought it looked prettier. And then I started sticking the balls that I made just in random places. Like pick the face of the cake, like pick the front of it, and then do it according to where the front is gonna be. And lastly, I just added these dots just to make it look a bit better. So yeah, you're gonna see the reveal of the cake in a bit. And then I worked on the balloons. So for the happy birthday, it says hey birthday because two letters, which are P's, came kind of like, what do you say? They were not closed completely, so I had to like use tape and stuff. There was like a mistake. And helium is really, really expensive. This is what I noticed throughout this experience. So I had to kind of stick, like, I put helium in the 24, but it cost me so much that for the rest of the balloons, I decided to stick them on the, like, roof, ceiling, I mean, and they look like they have helium in them. So if you're broke, you can still do that. And then I stuck the happy birthday on the window, and this is like the final result of it. I love the decoration. Took way more time than it actually looks. Like I feel like it looks like, oh, it took you 2 hours, but it took me days to like do all of this. And here's the cake, and here's the dog. He's so cute. Anyways, now I'm gonna leave you with some of the actual footage of the birthday. We did like a treasure hunt for my boyfriend to find his gifts, so you're gonna see some parts of that. It's not gonna make a lot of sense, but enjoy.
It's like the black one, no?
Which black one?
الطويلة.
Wow! Yeah, it's the same kind of.
How do you block the sun? برا
انت عم ضحك علي. Oh, I see now.
اوكي
Thank you.
فيك تبدلها يعني اذا ما عجبك.
لا حلو بالعكس. ما عندي هذا اللون هيك.
هي للداني يمكن.
It's time to find your next gift. It is from Ray and Joe, and the clue to find it is Melo. نقيت يا ملو.
بالأكل.
ما هو عم يعمل.
You like it?
Yeah.
Show it on you. Wow.
In order to spice up your game, your setup must look less lame. Your gift is here to shine bright. Your next item is wild. Do not fear, my child. Take your time to think, but your gift might shrink. Eh.
Melo. Melo is more excited.
كانوا ليك ما كان بدك ينفذ على الحمام.
لا. شو رح تنبه? Unless you look inside the washing machine.
Found it. Oh my god, battery.
Can you? My whistle.
Blow.
So what do you think it is? No, 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 there's water inside these. You thought of blow.
Balloons.
Okay.
ايه هول البي اللي عم بينفسوا.
No.
السود مش مبين شيء فيه بنص. لا فيها تحطه جواته قريب. تحط جواته.
هيدا.
Pull it.
ايش بده يبجل. هذا الايد بس بده يطلع الدهان حبيبتي معه.
Pull it! Pull harder!
ما رايك اذا بده يفقع بده يطلع شيء.
يلا pull!
Ooh. That was so much better than I expected. لا لو راح. That was amazing.
That was cool!
طلع ورا.
You
كان
too.
بده يطلع الكادون.
اي شيء
فيها
هون.
جوا بالكهرباء.
بس شو خص اللايت سويتش بهون؟
Well, this is the light. It's in charge of lights. You like it?
Yeah.
حلو.
Okay, put it on you. Wow. It's so cute. Okay, good.
هيدا رايق.
Yes!
Joy, you
thank
want?
you, everybody!
Yeah, Joe?
Yeah, I'll take this one. I forget that I can speak.
What? I'm so innocent.
Yeah.